I'm working on developing bio-based bioplastics, meaning we are trying to develop something alternative for the existing plastic packaging, conventional plastic packaging. It's making a lot of environmental pollution, including soil pollution, marine pollution, and also plastic is going to human body as a microplastic. So we are trying to make something alternative that is biodegradable and bio-based and that can avoid the negative impact of conventional plastic. Hi, I'm Joinul Islam, a third-year PhD student at the Department of Food Science and Technology at the University of Georgia, and I'm working on developing biodegradable bioplastic from jellyfish gelatin, and I'm a research trainee in UGA Marine Extension and Georgia Sea Grant. At beginning, we need to extract gelatin from the jellyfish, and for this we use acid hydrolysis process through which we make digested gelatin from the jellyfish collagen, and after extracting the gelatin we usually dissolve them in water and make film forming solution from that. For real world application we can use this bioplastic for food packaging application, and as it's edible we can use also make it a edible packaging, meaning we can eat that packaging or plastic. The most interesting thing for me is to turn this jellyfish into gelatin and eventually to the bioplastic. So that's an amazing thing. You won't get a lot of literature or research paper on this, so I have the chance to do something or explore something new and make something novel and make some impact in the science.